Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step process of setting up and running the most powerful tools in digital marketing, the Google Ads. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just someone looking to expand their online presence, mastering Google Ads can make a significant difference in reaching your goals. Firstly, open any browser like I am opening Chrome and search for Google Ads. Click on the first website that appears, which is ads.google.com. Here you'll find two options, sign in and start now. Sign in if you already have a Google Ads account, or if you're new and want to begin your Google Ads journey, click on start now. For this video, I'm creating a new account, so let's click on start now. So enter your email address and click next. Then enter your password and again hit the next button. Our account is now opening. A pop-up will appear saying, create your first campaign in a few simple steps. At the bottom of this pop-up, you'll see an option that says skip campaign creation. Click on this for now. It will redirect us to a new page where we're asked to provide our billing country, time zone, and currency. By default, it automatically detects your location and fills out the required details. Simply click on the continue button. And finally, your Google Ads account has been created successfully. You'll see a message that says, congrats, you are all done. Click on the explore your account button. Now, you'll see a new page or dashboard of Google Ads with many options everywhere. On the left side, you can see options like campaign, goals, tools, billing, and admin. Let's start by creating a new campaign. Firstly, click on the New Campaign button. Here, you'll choose your objective or goal for setting up a Google Ads campaign, like sales, leads, and many more options are available over here. For more control over our ads, we'll select the last option, create a campaign without a goals guidance. Then we'll pick the type of campaign we want. In this video, we choose to make a search campaign, which uses basic text ads like the ones we see on Google when we search for something. Now we need to select the results that we want to get from this campaign. For example, in this video, we're making ads for website developer. So we want to bring new visitors to our website. Here we'll have to type or paste the URL of our website. Now next step is where we want to choose the goals that we would like to focus on, like purchase, form submission, and many more. So we will select this page view option. Now we need to give our campaign a name that clearly reflects what we're advertising. For instance, we will write search campaign web developer and click on continue. Now on to the next step, that is bidding. These settings determine how much you're willing to pay for a single click on your ad, as well as your bidding strategy. For the beginning of this campaign, we'll stick with the clicks option and set our maximum cost per click bid limits to $1. Later on, you can adjust your bidding strategy to maximize your conversions. Click on next. Moving on, now we have to define our general campaign settings that will apply to all of the ads inside our new campaign. Make sure to deselect display networks. This step is crucial to avoid spending money on clicks that won't benefit us. You can choose to keep the search network enabled if you prefer, but I like to turn it off. This ensures that our ads only appear on the standard Google search engine. Now getting to the locations, it's important to ensure that your ads are seen only by people who are potential customers for your business. To do this, let's select another location to find the specific areas we want to target. For example, if our service or products are only available in the US, we'll type and choose United States. Afterward, we'll click on location options and switch the target from presence or interest to presence. This ensures that our ads will only appear to individuals physically located in the United States. As for languages, we'll simply choose the language of our target customers, which in our case is English. Next, we'll click on More Settings. Here, you have the option to specify a start and end date for your campaign. If you don't plan on regularly checking your Google Ads account, it's a good idea to set an end date. This way, Google will automatically stop your ad if you forget to turn it off. Additionally, if you prefer your ads to be displayed only at certain times during the day, you can define your ad schedule here. Then click on the next button. Moving forward on the next page, we'll focus on our keywords and ads. If you click under the keyword, then it will prompt a message to get suggestion for your ad. We will simply click on Create Myself option. Now, as we see, the URL of our website has been appeared. Under here, you have to define about the product or service you want to advertise. So I will write web developer. then click on Update Keyword Suggestion. And this tool will automatically generate and fill out some keywords that matches our services. Scroll down in the ad section, you will again notice our website URL. Now here we have to fill out the headings, which we want to display on the search page, so I'll just fill out these quickly. Next, we have to type the descriptions of our product or service. Additionally, it provides a preview of our ads as they'll appear when published. Take a look at the preview to see how all the headings and descriptions will look together. Now here are some more tools available like site links and callouts. So what are they? Site links and callouts are generally ad extensions in Google Ads that allow you to enhance your ads with additional information and links, making them more informative and engaging to users. Click over here, then click the Create option. Now here we have to enter the text which we want to be displayed as a site link, so we will write Contact Us. And this is where we have to enter the URL of the site which we want to add. Click on the Create button. If the links are now added, hit on the Next button to proceed. Now, on to the final and crucial step, setting the budget. Typically, you'll find the highest amount at the top. You can select any budget from here or set a custom one by entering your desired amount, so I will enter 200 rupees. You can enter according to your currency and budget, then click on the Next button. Then, Google will run various checks and error scans. If there are any errors in our ad, then Google will let us know. And if everything is alright, you can proceed to click Publish Campaign. Afterward, from the billing section, simply enter your payment information, click the Submit button, and congratulations. Your ad has been published successfully. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you.